हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज़ लेसन प्लान नंबर 4 और ये लेसन प्लान्स आपको एग्जाम्स में भी हेल्प करेंगे और आपकी बीएड की फाइल्स बनाने में भी हेल्प करेंगे। तो इन्हें पूरा देखना। प्यूपिल टीचर रोल नंबर, डेट, सब्जेक्ट, टाइम, क्लास एंड टॉपिक. Today my topic is reproduction in organisms. We'll then specify our journal objectives, which are to develop scientific attitude in biological science among students, to develop technical and instrumental approaches to solve the problems, to create interest among students, develop observing power among students. Then we'll specify the objectives. In knowledge, the students will be able to get knowledge about the term reproduction. Understanding, the students will be able to identify different modes of reproduction. Applications, the students will be able to explain the process of reproduction. Skills, the students will be able to draw the diagrams of reproductive organs. Teaching aids, a well-equipped classroom with blackboard, chalk, duster, specific aid, textbooks, charts, smart class, and ebook. Previous knowledge testing, the questions are: which organisms are found on earth? Plants, animal and humans. Some animals reared by humans: cow, goat, hen. How do cow and goats increase in number? By giving birth. How do organisms give birth to young ones? Announcement of the topic. Well, students, today we'll study about the topic reproduction in animals. Presentation. Reproduction, it is a biological process in which an organism or animal gives rise to young ones or offspring similar to itself. Types of animals which lay egg or either give birth to young ones. Those which lay eggs are called oviparous and those which give birth to young ones are called viviparous. Why is reproduction essential? This is essential as it leads to survival of species and the continuation of species. Of reproduction are two types, which is asexual and sexual. In sexual reproduction, there is an involvement of two parents, reproductive parts and the female reproductive parts. Both male and female reproductive parts form gametes which fuse together to form zygote. The female gamete is called egg and the male gamete is called sperm. The process of fusion called fertilization. Sexual reproduction involves single parents, so therefore there will be no variation. Progeny will be the exact copy of the parent, therefore it is called a clone. There are two types of asexual reproduction: budding and binary fission. Binary means two, therefore a single parent divides to form two daughter cells, and is karyokinesis, and then there is cytokinesis in binary fission. Further, there is budding. A single bud and outgrowth forms on parent body which grow in size and ultimately detaches itself from parent body. What are the importance of reproduction? They are important as they keep the continuity of individuals generation after generation. They balance the birth rate and the death rate. They increase the number of species. They lead to the transfer of genes from parents. New individuals are replaced by the older ones. So they balance the ecosystem, maintain diversity and gene transfer. Recapitulation. Define reproduction and its types. What is the difference between sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction? Homework question.